I'm gonna give you a little tour of our villa, Villa Jati. It's designed by Hadiprana, and this is our carport. We have a wood pergola, and this is where we stack our surfboards. And we have an outdoor shower here, and where you can wash yourself before you enter. And of course, a nice pivot door. Welcome. In here we have our living room with a nice large sofa and another hangout place where I read all my books. And this is our kitchen and dining area. And one thing that we really wanted is when I do all my cooking, I would like to have a view. So here it is. We have an induction stove, we've got a good fridge and an ice machine and a coffee machine, of course. So whenever you come and visit, I'll make you a cortado. Out here we have a sunken sofa and our large, the deeper lap pool in front and the kids-friendly shallow pool to the right. So the villa is a little elevated with a lot of stairs, and we love stairs. So there is a lot of seating opportunities. You can hang down here between or into the pool or just up here on the terrace. So in here we have the guest toilet and another outdoor shower. And here is our kids-friendly backyard or a little grass area that is under progress. We've planted some fruit trees here. We have pomegranate, citrus, fig tree and lime. We have some mango trees and avocado up here as well. So let's see when we can have some fruits. Let's have a look at the bedrooms. This is our future kids' bedroom, and our master bedroom is in here, and this is the bathroom. We wanted to have an open shower, and here it is. We have a really nice banten tree up here, and you can see the stars at the night. This is our master bedroom. We also wanted to have some good storage for our clothes, so we made all those built-in wardrobes. And I wanted to have the possibility to work from the bedroom, so we made a little desk here, so I can have some meetings from here. Of course, we have a little telephone here too, so we can always stay connected. This is something we added out here. It's just a flat grass terrace, so we can play a little bit up here. So most of our lots in Tampah are very steep, so it's quite hard to get a flat area. So you need to work with retaining walls. So we made retaining walls up here and another one and another one and another one. So we created some grass terraces here. So we have talked about that before, but two things is very important, and it's shade and airflow. Today we have a lot of airflow, but we planted 3 coconut trees on the terrace, and we have a butterfly tree that will eventually grow and give some shade in the sunken sofa as well. Let's go and check our guest bedroom downstairs. This is our guest bedroom. So whenever we will eventually have friends come and visit us, this is where you're staying. And the bedroom is a little bit apart from our bedroom upstairs, so you will still be quite private down here. This is the bathroom with a toilet and a sink and a nice shower here with the view of our lovely Tampah Bay. Yeah, this is Villa Jati, so whenever you are here, come and visit us, and I hope to see you soon.